Podcast script for episode 42, The Power of Legal Aid in Criminal Defense, a closer look. Welcome to DNTV Hyderabad's daily podcast series, Legal Issues Resolution at Legal Services Authority. I am Bharadwaj, your host, bringing you episode 42, The Power of Legal Aid in Criminal Defense, a closer look. In today's episode, we will take a deep dive into how legal aid plays a vital role in ensuring that every individual, no matter their financial situation, gets fair representation in criminal cases. We will explore the impact of legal aid in criminal defense, the rights of the accused, and real life stories that showcase its power. Stay tuned as well shed light on this crucial aspect of justice. Section 1. What is legal aid in criminal defense? Legal aid in criminal defense refers to the provision of free legal aid services to individuals who cannot afford to hire a private lawyer. The Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 mandates that individuals facing criminal charges and unable to afford legal representation can receive a competent lawyer through legal aid programs. The right to a fair trial, as guaranteed by the Constitution of India, includes the right to legal representation. This right ensures that every accused person, regardless of their socio-economic status, has an opportunity to defend themselves against criminal charges in a court of law. Section 2. The importance of legal aid in criminal defense. In criminal cases, the consequences can be life-altering. Whether it's a matter of personal liberty, reputation, or livelihood, individuals accused of crimes must have access to skilled legal representation to ensure a just and fair trial. Legal aid is essential for number 1. Ensuring fair trial. Everyone, regardless of their financial background, is entitled to a fair trial. Legal aid ensures that the defense lawyer is available to help the accused navigate the complex criminal justice system. Number 2. Preventing wrongful convictions. Inadequate defense can lead to wrongful convictions. Legal aid lawyers provide expertise challenge evidence, cross-examine witnesses, and ensure the rights of the accused are upheld. Number 3. Safeguard human rights. Legal aid ensures that human rights are not violated during the criminal justice process. Without legal representation, an accused person may be subjected to unfair practices such as coerced confessions or improper detention. Section 3. How legal aid works in criminal defense. The process of accessing legal aid for criminal defense typically involves the following steps. Number 1. Eligibility. To qualify for legal aid, an individual must meet certain criteria such as financial need, the severity of the charge, or the likelihood of imprisonment. The District Legal Services Authority (DLSA) evaluates eligibility based on the applicant's income and case type. Number 2. Application process. The accused or their family can apply for legal aid through their local DLSA or legal aid clinic. After submitting an application, the DLSA assesses the case and assigns a panel advocate to represent the individual. Number 3. Assignment of panel advocate. A panel advocate who is trained lawyer is assigned to represent the accused in the criminal case. These lawyers are paid by the government but work with the same level of professionalism and diligence as private lawyers. Number 4. Court representation. The panel advocate represents the accused during court hearings, ensures that the defendant's rights are protected, cross-examines witnesses, and presents the defense case. They also advise the accused on the legal aspects of their case. Number 5. Post-trial assistance. After the trial, the panel advocate may assist in appealing the case if necessary or work on obtaining bail for the accused. They also help ensure that the accused understands their legal options post-verdict. Section 4. The role of legal aid lawyers in criminal defense. Legal aid lawyers are pivotal in criminal defense. They ensure that the accused receives number 1. Effective counsel. Legal aid lawyers are trained professionals who specialized in criminal defense. They work to protect the rights of the accused and ensure the trial is conducted fairly. Number 2. Investigating the case. Legal aid lawyers conduct their own investigations to gather evidence, question witnesses, and challenge the prosecution's case. They may also bring in expert witnesses to strengthen the defense. Number 3. Ensuring transparency. Legal aid lawyers ensure that all proceedings are transparent and that the accused is fully aware of the charges and evidence against them. They also ensure that the rights of the accused are not violated during arrest or questioning. Section 5. Real life impact stories. Story 1. In a recent case in Telangana, a young man was wrongfully accused of a serious crime. He could not afford a lawyer, but with the help of legal aid, a dedicated panel advocate helped him gather alibi evidence and identify flaws in the prosecution's case. The accused was acquitted, demonstrating the power of legal aid in securing justice. Story 2. A woman was facing charges of theft but was unable to afford a lawyer. A legal aid lawyer took up her case, carefully reviewed the prosecution's evidence, and found inconsistencies. Thanks to her legal aid lawyer, she was able to prove her innocence and the charges were dropped. These stories highlight the difference legal aid can make in criminal defense, ensuring that justice is served even when the odds are stacked against an individual. Section 6. How you can benefit from legal aid in criminal cases. If you are facing criminal charges and cannot afford legal representation, here's what you can do. Number 1. Visit your nearest District Legal Services Authority (DLSA). Find the nearest office or legal aid clinic where you can apply for assistance. Number 2. Submit the application. Fill out the legal aid application form and submit any supporting documents to show your financial need and the details of your case. Number 3. Follow up. After submitting your application, follow up regularly to ensure your case is being processed. You will be assigned a panel advocate to represent you in court. Number 4. Know your rights. Make sure you understand your rights throughout the process. Your panel advocate will explain the steps, answer any questions, and ensure you are fully informed. Legal aid in criminal defense plays a crucial role in protecting the rights of individuals facing criminal charges. It ensures that justice is accessible to everyone, regardless of financial means, and safeguards against wrongful convictions and injustices in the legal system. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you are someone you know is facing criminal charges and cannot afford a lawyer, remember that legal aid is available. Share this episode to spread awareness about the importance of legal representation in criminal defense. Join us tomorrow for another episode of Legal Issues Resolution at Legal Services Authority. Until then, stay informed and stay empowered. Call to action. If you are someone you know is facing criminal charges but cannot afford a lawyer, visit your nearest District Legal Services Authority today to apply for legal aid. Share this episode with anyone who may benefit from legal assistance in criminal matters. Follow DNTV Hyderabad for more insightful episodes on legal services and solutions. Key message. In the criminal justice system, legal aid is not just a service. It is a right that ensures justice for all, regardless of financial status.